Meet the Amazon Basics Smart Bulb, offering hands-free voice control, dimmable soft white lighting, easy setup, and energy-efficient performance for your smart home. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Amazon Basics Smart Bulb, a user manual, and a quick start guide to help you get set up and connected in no time. Plug and pair. Upgrade your home lighting with the Amazon Basics Smart Bulb and enjoy quick, convenient control. Simply plug the bulb into a standard light socket and turn it on. Scan the QR code provided on the packaging or bulb instructions to quickly access the setup process. Open the Alexa app, add a new device, select Light, and follow the guided steps to complete pairing. Once connected, control your lighting with voice commands, adjust brightness, set schedules, and manage your smart bulb anytime through the Alexa app.
Smart features?
Control your smart bulb hands-free with Alexa. Turn lights on/off and adjust brightness using simple voice commands. Set automatic lighting schedules through the Alexa app. Create routines and control your bulb based on your daily needs.
Specifications.
FAQs.
Safety precautions.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Amazon Basics Smart Bulb. See you in the next one.